What's up? What's up? What's up, you guys? What's up? It's just SkinnyBoyRandy. Hope you're having a great, growing, blessed, and prosperous day. How you doing? What's going on? I miss you guys so much. Thank you so much for being here. I'm doing handheld today, you guys, because I want to get you up close and personal with exactly what I'm talking about. Okay? Okay? Don't forget, if you're new to my channel, welcome to Gardening with SkinnyBoyRandy, where beginners and experts are always welcome. I love you guys. You guys are the best. Okay? Okay? I love you. Thank you so much for being here. Don't forget to click like and subscribe. Click the thumbs up, thumbs down, just not the two middle fingers, okay? Okay, I love you. Leave a comment, you guys. Share the video. It always helps out, okay? Okay, so let's just dive right into this video. I promise you, I'm not going to make a long video today. I promise, I promise. It's going to be short and sweet and to the point. I've gotten quite a few messages about people that are gardening and they're growing and they're getting a lot of flowers on their plants, but no fruit. How many of you guys have that problem? Okay, okay, I'll wait. Okay, I know. We all have it sometimes. But when you learn what's going on, there are different ways that you can help Mother Nature along the way. Okay, although Mother Nature doesn't need any help, but every now and then we like to give her a break, give her a relaxing moment. Okay, okay, she get tired too. And we don't want her to get sick, and we ain't got no money to pay for her to get out the hospital. Okay, Mother Nature, we ain't got no money. We love you. But yeah, you guys, I was gonna make a video on watering today, but by the time I got home, it poured down. So Mother Nature watered it for me. So I'm gonna do her a favor this time. So I'm gonna talk to you about hand pollination. And again, I'm going handheld, you guys, so I can, keep you in the loop. So when you're, let's say your tomatoes. Let's start with tomatoes. Now, when your tomatoes bloom, they start coming out looking like this, right? Now, the flower on a tomato, the male and female are all in one flower, you guys. One. You see these tomatoes in here? I hand pollinated all of these because sometimes the bees, look at this big boy. The bees can't reach all the way down there sometimes. So I give them a little help. So this is a male and female flower. They're all in one. So the pollen is inside of this flower. And this round piece here will be the actual cucumber if she gets pollinated. Otherwise, it's going to close up and die off. Okay? Like I think this one didn't make it. You see how that just fell off? See how it fell off? So now the trick to self-pollinating your tomatoes is simple. Just take your finger and give it a tap. Tap, 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 tap. If you can vibrate quicker, go ahead, as quick as your fingers can go. You just want to tap those flowers. Tap, 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 tap. You can even give a light squeeze. Squeeze some of the leaves around that center because they're all folded back. I don't know if you can see. I hope you guys can see. But yeah, tap, tap, tap. And I've been doing this for years and it works great because what it's doing is it's helping that pollen reach the female flower. That's what's going on. Okay? And 9 times out of 10, I just pollinated this. Pretty much every tomato that I have right now, I hand pollinate. And that's all you do. Now, the pollen reaches the female. The flower closes up. It only stays open, you guys, a few hours, sometimes 24 hours, but then it closes. If it's pollinated, it's going to grow a fruit. If not, it's going to fall right on off. Same thing with your peppers. Now, let's see. We can find a flower here. See this? The peppers are self-pollinators as well. If the bees don't do it for you, you can do it yourself. I don't want to break anything, but you see, I pollinated all of those. And I see some ants in there, so they probably did it for me on that one. But I like to tap it anyway. Tap, 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 tap. Just give it a tap, y'all. Okay, okay. Get that pollen going. And sometimes you can just tap the whole plant. Just like that. Just tap your whole plant. Be gentle. And I hand pollinated this pepper. See how big that got? And we're just letting that turn to all of its different colors. Now let me show you the cherry tomatoes that I hand pollinated because the bees couldn't get all the way down. You see, these are my husky cherry tomatoes. And look at here. Look at this bunch of tomatoes, you guys. Look how beautiful that